guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from a watch only wallet address. And first of all, I'm going to show you how to load a watch only wallet address. So you click on our Trust Wallet, then you enter our Trust Wallet password, then you load the watch only address to our Trust Wallet. So you go to wallet and you click on the plus sign. Okay, let's click on a plus sign. Let's click on I already have a wallet. Then let's search for BNB, bexchange. So we'll input our wallet address, our watch only wallet address. So let's get our watch only wallet address. Okay. Okay. Let's go to our watch only wallet. Let's go to the content. Let's scroll down. Okay, so you can get the watch only address by checking my YouTube video. Yeah, you get it here. Or you can also message me at WhatsApp for the watch only wallet address. So let's load the watch only wallet address into our Trust Wallet. Okay, so let's go to I already have wallet BNB bexchange address, and let's paste the watch only address here. Let's paste it, then let's import. Okay, so let's refresh. Okay, so as you guys see, I have $30,196 in this watch only wallet address, which is easily withdrawable. So what you're gonna do is that you have to message me at WhatsApp to buy the bexchange app and login. That's what you are going to use to withdraw these funds. You understand? It's very simple. So let me show you how to use the app, the bexchange app. So first of all, you have to install the app. After buying it, you have to install it. Then we will log in. So we will log in. All right. So let's log in. Let's log in. Let's copy the token ID, then let's paste, and the password. Let's the password to let's copy the password and let's paste. So after buying the app and the logins, you just log in. Then you see withdraw BNB funds and transfer BNB funds. Then you go to withdraw. Then you go to the local wallet. Then you input our BNB wallet address. So you go to the wallet. Then you copy our wallet address. So let's copy it. That's what we're going to receive. And let's copy it. Then let's input it in the enter BNB wallet address. Then we enter the amount. So what amount do we want to withdraw? As you can see, I have $30,213. So let's enter it in dollars. So let's withdraw $30,000. So you enter your full name on your momo number. So my full name on my momo number is Nathaniel. Then I'll enter my momo number 059559069. So you have to also inbox me for the momo number. You have to also inbox me for the momo number. Then when you buy it, you have to buy it. And when you buy it, then I'll link the momo number to your bexchange account. So you transfer funds. So you just wait for 5 to 10 minutes for the money to be transferred into your mobile money account. So you just wait. You can leave the page, you can remain in the page. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. My number is after the video, so you just message me at WhatsApp, buy your app, your logins, the number that you withdraw safely. Thank you.